As you walk in, I have a bookshelf here. So it's this bookshelf. It was actually from my garage. So it was just sitting in the garage, so I thought I might as well use it. It's quite big, so it fits a lot of stuff. So on the top here, I have like random stuff. I have a bunch of magazines. I love Frankie's magazine. And I have some trinkets, whiskey holding a book, a cat. So cute. This is the cutest thing. This is actually a bookend, but I just decided to just leave it here. And I have this lucky cat. So this is from Tokyo, from Gotokuji. So cute. Over here I have a plushie of a Miffy, and this frame I thrifted. Been collecting Sunny Angels since 2022, but I don't do it anymore. So I have a bunch of trinkets like Hello Kitties, Misky. I have this Yoshitomo Nara's art, which I printed. More Misky. And I don't know where I got this one from, but it's holding a matcha, so that's so cute. Thrifted this mug. Is it a jug or a mug? Like a stem. That's a money plant. Over here I got my jewelry box, which I thrifted, and this Lego turtle that I built myself. It's so cute. This one's actually from Daiso. So this is where I keep my random jewelry. Okay. And I got more random stuff here. Some Sunny Angels. Smisky sitting on a chair. The chair, I got it from Daiso. And I got some miscellaneous stuff like lipstick, pin, my everyday rings. And I love this lamp, which I thrifted. So it lights up as you touch it. Okay. So down here I just have my books. On the first shelf I got all of my books. And down here it's just random stuff. It's all messy. Just a bunch of random stuff. And moving on to the mirror / cabinet. So this is the other part of Snoopy. And I got a bunch of random stuff again. I have a bunch of Polaroids in there. My perfume, jewelry. Recently bought Glossier's perfume, and it smells so nice. It's the type of smell that you won't get sick of. I got a bunch of jewelry here, like random necklaces, earrings that I don't usually wear. I got some Miffy clips. So okay, this is perfect when I'm trying to do my makeup. Over here I got my sunglasses, some Miffy band-aid, and I got some bangles and scrunchie. I just leave it there because it's easy to find when I need it. I want to go through the drawers because it's quite messy. I just keep my pajamas. Okay, so moving here. So this is where I study. Here, so I got the calendar for this year. I actually got it from Frankie's magazine. So it's just a bunch of stuff, like random stuff, pencil cases, my journal, my sketchbook, the book that I'm currently reading. I'm currently reading this one, Total Vase of Makeup, which I actually thrifted. It's giving 90s rom-com and I love it. Okay, so just my laptop and iPad and just random stuff like pen, color pencil. Up here I got two posters, one from Ponyo and the other one is from Whisper of the Heart. Two of my favorites Studio Ghibli movie. Okay, moving on. So there's a big window here, which I love. Okay, so this is my bedside table. I'm also currently reading The Lover by Doers. Got a Snoopy calendar, and I just set up the candle for the wipes because it's raining. And the lamp, it's currently not working. Okay, moving onto the bed. So this duvet cover, it's actually from Amazon. I just turned it on because it's getting quite dark. Another little bookshelf. So I got my record player and my favorite vinyl and my glasses, USB adapters and a bunch of books. Down here, more books. So on the wall, I have a print of Yoshitomo Nara's. I really like the pink. It's so cute. And I have a bunch of my favorite artists. Faye Webster, Claro, and Lamb. And moving on to my right side, I have a big closet. So this is my favorite part of the room. I don't want to go too much into my closet. Kind of messy at the moment. I really need to clean it. And we're almost at the end. So a full-length body mirror, which I love. And moving onto the back of the door, I have a bunch of bags that I use on a day-to-day basis, so I just leave it there so it's easy to just grab it and go. If for my room tour, I hope you guys enjoyed it.